It's hard being Birdo, brains all returdo. But drink enough liquor, brain need no be quicker. JP makes fun me, but blues be my destiny. But there's more secrets I must shed. I confess my desires for Brohead. Yeah. Oh shit, is it back for round 2? Bro job. Yeah. Fuck bird, seems like it's only worse for you. Brohead. Yeah. Things that bird likes to think about. Dicks. Bro job. Joshy boy just can't get enough. Good. Is this an intervention? Was a ladder ever mentioned? My assignment needs extension. On smart juice, I just invention. Cut me some slack, I break my back. I think about spread on man buns with no bread. But then I remember this song's about Brohead. Oh shit, is it back for round 2? Bro job. Fuck bird, seems like it's only worse for you. Brohead. Things that bird likes to think about. Dicks. Bro job. Joshy boy just can't get enough. Good. Wake up, go to work, go home and do jerk. Junior in Discord again, make sure mention weed pin. Weedy. Why is he hide it all day? We all know he's gay, doesn't need to be said. Birdo's looking for some Brohead. Oh shit, is it back for round 2? Bro job. Fuck bird, seems like it's only worse for you. Brohead. Things that bird likes to think about. Dicks. Bro job. Joshy boy just can't get enough. Good.